So I have made on this channel, I have already done a couple of recipes of naan, something in the oven, something on the pan, and I also have shared a recipe of pizza. And all of those links I will leave in my description box in case you want to check it out. But today I am doing a combination of these two. I'm going to get these two together and make an absolutely delicious pizza naan or naan pizza. Here I have got 300 grams of plain flour. To this I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of natural yogurt or curd. Then I have got a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of sugar, and 7 grams of fast action dried yeast. And I've also got 140 ml of milk. I have warmed it for 20 seconds in the microwave, so lukewarm would be great. If I just mix this slowly. So if you don't have plain flour, you can use self-raising, or you can use half self-raising, half whole grain, but you can't use all of whole grain because I think it will make it very different texture. Or you can also use bread flour. That is perfect amount of liquid. I'm now going to knead this for only a couple of minutes. So lovely and smooth. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the same bowl, just put a little bit of oil, put this in, let it rest for at least half an hour, if not more, and then I'm going to come back to this. So I come look at the dough, because this is looking fantastic. It's risen so well. Look at that. And I'm just going to sprinkle some flour here and get, I guess, 4 portions out of this. And so I'm going to take 1 portion at a time, and what I'm going to do is that I'm actually going to try one of them in a pan here. I'm going to cover it like I made the naan in a pan, and the other one I am going to make in the oven and see if there is much of a difference in, you know, the bake and the, you know, end result really. So yeah, let's go and get this going. So I'm just going to roll it out into a circle, and I'm actually going to get the oven one going in first, and I'm going to get the pan hot till then because I don't want to put it on a cold pan. So here is our dough, and now I just got some heritage tomatoes yesterday, so I'm just going to slice them and place them on top. So now I am going to add the most delicious ingredient, which is some tandoori chicken. So I have some tandoori chicken left from a barbecue earlier, and oh my god, it smells so good. I just love tandoori chicken. So I'm just breaking bits and putting on top. You can add as much or as little as you want. So just some red pepper because it goes well with the chicken, and the tomatoes, and very important for me, some onion, because this whole combination is going to taste amazing. Right now it's time to cover it up in cheese. So just a little pinch of salt, and then goes in some lovely cheddar, grated cheddar. I like a little bit of cheddar on the pizzas because it just adds a bit more loveliness. And then some mozzarella. Oh boy. I'm trying to cover the chicken pieces because the ones that are not very well covered can go really crispy and hard, which is not very nice to eat. So there we go. And now it's going to go in a really hot 220C oven for 10 minutes or so. And here is the pan version. Now it's hot. Just going to add this, the tomatoes. I'm going to try and be very quick. I am going to cover and cook this as well for 8 to 10 minutes. Okay, it is ready. Whoa! Fantastic. So here we have the oven pizza naan, and here we have the pan pizza naan, and kind of by the look of it, the oven pizza naan is definite winner because it looks like it's crisped up nicely and the tomatoes have slightly wilted. I'm getting really hungry. And look, the bottom is cooked perfectly. But here, I feel that it has slightly caught at the bottom. So I'm not sure if this is the right way forward. You know what I mean? I might just stick with making it in the oven rather than the pan. I might change my mind once I have tasted it with the filling and not dropping it all. God, I can smell the chicken on it. Oh, it's hot. That crispness at the bottom is actually not burned, but it's really lovely. Oh my god, the whole combination of, you can add herbs, oregano, parsley, I don't know, whatever you want. I don't want any herbs in this, it's just perfect. So basically, the oven one is lovely. They both are actually good, okay? They both are equally good. This one, it's crisp from the outside right the way through inside. So it's crisp from here till here, every single bit. And in this pizza, this bit is slightly softer and this is crisper. So actually, They both are fantastic, and whichever way you choose, this is such a fantastic recipe to make if you have some naan dough left, or if you want to just experiment with naan. You can just make just garlic and mozzarella and cheddar naan or naan pizza or pizza naan. Anyways, don't forget to subscribe. Join me again for a brand new recipe. Bye for now. Let me know if you are going to give this a go and with what topping.